A, B, C, D. Find the force in the given figure at point D. At point D. Charges plus Q, plus Q, plus Q and plus Q. Distance A root 2. Distance A root 2. Then force F CD, F AD, F BD. In this given figure, find the force at point D is given by charges, each corner charges plus Q, plus Q, plus Q, plus Q, and distance is small a. Due to electric force, F CD is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q upon A square. Q into Q is equal to A square. F CD is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square. Electric force F AD is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square. Equation second. And electric force FBD is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square 2. This equation is third. Due to charge Q and Q, Coulomb's law, force FCD, FAD and FBD. Then resultant force, force F is equal to root में F CD square plus F AD square, and this value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square plus का whole square 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square का whole square, then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square into root 2. F force. This force FCD and FAD, resultant force F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square into root 2, and resultant force F dash is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square root 2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square into 2. This 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square into root 2 plus 1 upon 2. This square side A, and each corner charges Q plus Q plus Q plus Q plus Q. Then find resultant force at point D is given by first electric force FCD FCB is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a square. Then find force FAD. FAD is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a square. Then force FBD 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a square. Then resultant force F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a square root 2. And this force is resultant F dash is equal to this and this, इसे ऐड कर दिया गया. ऐड करने पर यहाँ पर 1 upon F dash is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q square upon a square. रूट में a square, रूट में 2 plus 1 upon 2. Then stop.